Hi everyone, this is Katherine and welcome to Rooted in Design. Today I want to define or do the comparison of open space plan versus defined space plan depending on how you live and who you are. Everybody knows that it's a big fad to have a big open floor plan on your first floor just so you can see everything. It's open, it's airy, but there are people out there that doesn't work for them. I am a big advocate on designing and talking about sensory-friendly architecture. This is very in line for people who are neurodivergent, whether you have ADHD, anxiety, depression, autism, you name it, within that branch. People like that have a nervous system gets triggered more than others, and open floor plans may not work for them in their home. So they might need those defined homes. So if you or someone in your family is like that and you know that they need more confined, structured spaces, when you're looking for homes, you're going to want to gear towards those homes. But if you're someone who doesn't like those cramped spaces and you feel like you need to see everything, have it open, looking at properties to have that or have the potential of it, if the structure allows it, would be helpful as well. I think also the open concept and defined spaces goes to like what your life is and how you go about it. If you know you live with people who make a lot of noises, and say you have teenagers that want to have their own space to play games, all that, maybe you want to separate that living room and a game room and allow those defined spaces to work together, while we can still create some openness by maybe creating a big opening where we can have barn doors to enclose it when needed and open when not. There can be definitely flexibility in how you divide and curate those spaces. I think not everyone's the same within a family, so being able to create flexibility is important. But for sure, I think that when you look at this, you have to assess what works for you and how you want to be at your house, because sometimes you want that airiness there, but you like to be in your private office at work to focus. So it's also the use and productivity of if you want that open concept, maybe your home office is going to be open to everyone. Is that going to work for you? Or do you need to define certain rooms to accommodate a private office? And that's more so if you have a smaller home. If you have one of those beautiful bigger homes that you can add that private office in the basement or to the side, it's perfect, but definitely consider those elements. But going back one more thing on the sensory friendly, it goes further into also how your bedrooms are laid out. There is this simple idea of the open concept of all the bedrooms really just open up to the same space. You can all have a commonality, you can connect, but if you really need some more privacy, kind of creating wings of the kids are separated from where the master bedroom is, so you have more privacy from your kids, or your guest bedroom is fully separated, so they feel like they have privacy and independence when you have people visiting, rather than everyone's kind of integrating combined. Hope this was helpful, and as you consider this information, remember to mention them to Dream Select Realty as they're looking for properties for you, and they'll be able to find options that work within those elements. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.